na badminton players ng TMC2. So, of course, we have to recognize the effort and support of your coaches. Kasi kung wala sila, edi hindi kayo nakaupo dyan. O, diba? Okay. So, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Schools Division Office of Cavite Province, Certificate of Recognition is awarded to for his or her involvement and meritorious services rendered as coach in badminton during the 13 Martires City District 2 District Meet 2025 held on September 3 to 4, 2025 at Kangahan Elementary School, District 2 of 13 Martires City. Given this 4th day of September 2025 at 13 Martires City, Cavite, signed Maria Rene Rose D. Tartongo, District 2 Sports K. Admin, and Dr. Carolina R. Magallanes, Public School District Supervisor, TMC2. Okay, so lahat po ng coaches, may we request all of you in front. Siyempre, ang TM ang mag-aabot. Ayan. So ito po, ang mga coaches po, sige po, in front. So yun po ang ating background. Ayan. So palakpakan nyo naman mga players ang inyong mga coaches. Ayan. Siyempre, kung wala yung kanilang dedication, effort, para kayo ay ma-train, so walang magkakam up na mga magagaling na players ng TMC2. Bakit nga ba wala ako doon? Thank you po, coaches. Okay, next po natin. Okay, so kung meron pong certificate ang mga coaches, of course, ang ating pong mga officials. So, unahin po natin sa pinakamababa. Sa pinakahuli. Okay, as officiating official, Ma'am Ann Abigail Barroso. Wala. Ay, ako pala ito kaagad. Ma'am Marites R. Tenorio. Siya po yung busy sa table natin. Siya po ang ating tournament secretary. Next up, Sir Jeffrey P. Galais. Siya naman po ang ating documenter. Of course, Miss Sindel P. Untalan. Ang isa po sa ating PM, Touch Mobile. Tournament Manager, Ma'am Cherise Navy Rama. And of course, siyempre, ang ating laging busy kahit gabing-gabi na, hindi po natutulog. Of course, Sir Edwin Wab. And of course, yours truly, your announcer. And now, the most awaited part, the awarding
of winners. Yung nasa na po yung aking listahan. Okay, so simula tayo sa awarding
Nasa kausap ka na
ng ating girls. Okay, girls muna tayo. Doubles. Third place. Third place is from Aguado Elementary School. Players, Maria Crizea, ano to? Al E. Marte. Al and Adel P. Untalan. Of course, ang coach, si Ma'am Joyce Kaisip. So sila po ang ating third placer for doubles. Doubles girls. Next, second placer. From Kanggahan Elementary School. Awi. So yan po yung pinagpuyatan ng ating TM. O, tingnan niyo naman po kung gaano kasipag si Sir Edwin. Diyos ko po, nakaupo ka lang naman. Sir Edwin, sama dun, sir. Okay, so congratulations, third placer.